Have you ever spent hours trying to figure out your crypto taxes only to end up with a headache and a pile of spreadsheets? If you're one of the 20% of Americans holding crypto in 2024, you know the struggle is real. Welcome to the future of tax compliance. In this video, we're demystifying how AI-powered tools are revolutionizing crypto tax automation in the USA. From tracking thousands of transactions to generating IRS-ready forms in minutes, AI is your new best friend. Stick around to discover the top tools, a real-world success story, and tips to save time and money. Let's get started. Before we demystify, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more crypto and finance tips. Why crypto taxes are a nightmare. Let's set the stage. Cryptocurrencies are booming, but with great gains come great tax responsibilities. The IRS treats crypto as property, not currency, which means every trade, sale, or staking reward is a taxable event. Whether you're swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, earning staking rewards, or getting an airdrop, you need to report capital gains or income. Sounds simple, right? Not quite. In 2024, Coin Bureau reported that over 20% of U.S. adults hold crypto, and the average trader makes hundreds of transactions a year. Calculating cost bases, gains, and losses manually is a nightmare. Plus, the IRS is cracking down. In March of 2024, they filed their first crypto-specific tax evasion charges. And starting in 2026, Form 1099-DA will require brokers to report your gains. Without proper records, you're at risk of audits or penalties. But here's the good news. AI is changing the game. Let's explore how. How AI-powered tools work. So, how does AI make crypto taxes easier? Let's break it down. AI-powered crypto tax tools use machine learning, natural language processing, and blockchain integration to automate the entire process. Here are the key ways they work. 1. Transaction tracking and categorization. AI platforms like Koinly, CoinLedger, and TaxBit connect to over 3,500 exchanges and wallets via APIs or CSV uploads. They pull your transaction history, trades, transfers, staking rewards, even DeFi and NFT activity, and categorize them automatically. For example, Coin Bureau notes that these tools cut transaction processing time by 80% compared to manual methods. No more sifting through blockchain logs. 2. Cost basis calculation. The IRS requires you to track the cost basis of every crypto asset. AI tools handle this by applying methods like FIFO, first in, first out, or specific identification. For instance, if you bought one Bitcoin at $20,000 and another at $18,000, then sold 1.5 Bitcoin for $32,000, the AI calculates your basis as $29,000, giving you a capital gain of $3,000. This follows IRS guidelines from Notice 2014-21. Tax form generation. These platforms auto-generate IRS forms like Form 8949 and Schedule D, which you can import into TurboTax or H&R Block. TaxBit's sub-ledger solution, for example, integrates with enterprise ledgers, slashing preparation time by 90%. 4. Tax optimization. AI doesn't just report, it optimizes. Tools like BlockPit suggest tax loss harvesting opportunities, analyzing your portfolio to minimize liabilities. A 2024 EY survey found that 96% of businesses using AI tax tools reported fewer errors in filings. 5. Compliance and audit protection. AI assistants like TaxGPT analyze over 1,000 tax forms and provide real-time compliance advice. They flag issues like unreported airdrops to keep you audit ready. Bloomberg Tax reported a 30% reduction in IRS penalties for AI users in 2024. These tools save hours and reduce stress, but let's see them in action with a real-world case study. Real-world case study: Sarah's crypto tax success. Meet Sarah, a freelance graphic designer and crypto enthusiast in California. In 2023, Sarah traded on Coinbase, Binance, and Uniswap, racking up over 500 transactions, including trades, staking rewards, and an NFT sale. When tax season hit, she was overwhelmed. Her spreadsheets were a mess, and she feared an IRS audit. Then, Sarah discovered CoinLedger. She connected her exchange accounts via APIs, and CoinLedger's AI imported and categorized all 500 transactions in under 10 minutes. It calculated her cost bases using FIFO, generated a Form 8949, and integrated with TurboTax. Sarah also used CoinLedger's tax loss harvesting tool, identifying $2,000 in losses to offset her gains, saving her $600 in taxes. In a post on X, a user shared a similar experience, saying CoinLedger's API syncs and TurboTax compatibility made filing a breeze. Sarah filed her taxes on time, avoided penalties, and now uses CoinLedger's portfolio tracker to monitor her tax liability year-round. Her total cost? Just $65 for CoinLedger's annual plan, a fraction of what an accountant would charge. Sarah's story shows how AI can turn tax chaos into a streamlined process. But what are the challenges of using these tools? Challenges and risks. AI-powered crypto tax tools are game changers, but they're not perfect. Here are some challenges to consider. 1. Data privacy. These platforms handle sensitive financial data. A 2025 TechCrunch report highlighted user concerns about fintech security. Always choose tools with end-to-end encryption, like TaxBit or Koinly, and review their privacy policies. 2. Regulatory gaps. The U.S. lacks standardized AI frameworks for tax compliance. The Treasury called for better oversight in 2024, so ensure your tool aligns with IRS guidelines. 3. Over-reliance. A post on X warned against blindly trusting AI outputs. Always double-check generated forms for accuracy, as human oversight is critical. 4. Environmental impact. Crypto mining and AI data centers consumed 2% of global electricity in 2022, projected to hit 3.5% by 2027. Choose platforms committed to sustainable practices. Despite these challenges, the benefits outweigh the risks if you use reputable tools and stay informed. Top tools and how to get started. Ready to simplify your crypto taxes? Here are the top AI-powered tools for 2025. Koinly, best for retail investors with API syncs for 3,500 plus exchanges and DeFi support. Starts at $49 per year. CoinLedger, great for TurboTax integration and NFT tracking. Plans start at $65 per year. TaxBit, ideal for enterprises with subledger integration. Contact for pricing. TaxGPT, an AI assistant for real-time tax advice, analyzing 1,000 plus forms. Subscription-based. How to get started. 1. Choose a tool and sign up for a free trial. 2. Connect your wallets and exchanges via API or CSV. 3. Let the AI categorize transactions and calculate gains and losses. 4. Generate IRS forms and import them into your tax software. 5. Review outputs and file with confidence. Pro tip: use portfolio trackers to monitor tax liabilities year-round, not just at tax time. AI-powered crypto tax automation is transforming how Americans handle their taxes. From saving hours on transaction tracking to avoiding IRS penalties, tools like Koinly, CoinLedger, and TaxBit make compliance a breeze. With crypto adoption growing and IRS scrutiny tightening, now's the time to embrace AI. Want to learn more? Check out our playlist on crypto and finance tips and drop a comment with your favorite tax tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
This video can't cover every detail, so check the description for more.